Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your SiteGround account with SiteGround easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your SiteGround account, begin by logging into your SiteGround dashboard. Go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. In the Profile settings, locate the Change Password section. Enter your current password in the designated field. Next, type in your new password. Ensure that your new password meets the security requirements listed. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the confirmation field. Click on the Save button to apply the changes. Once your password is updated, log out of your account to test the new credentials. Return to the login page and enter your email and the newly set password. If you successfully log in, your password reset is complete. If you need to reset your account for other reasons, such as data or files, navigate to the Websites tab. Select the site you wish to reset. Scroll down to the Site Tools and click on it. In the Site Tools dashboard, go to the Security section. Click on Site Lock. Enable or disable the lock according to your needs. If you want to reset your database, navigate to WordPress in the Site Tools menu. Click on Install and Manage. Select your website and click on Manage Installations. From here, click on Delete to remove the installation. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up window. Once deleted, you can reinstall WordPress through the Install tab. Follow the prompts to set up a fresh installation. Your SiteGround account is now reset according to your specifications. For any issues, visit the SiteGround support page for additional assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.